Dropshipping. I get a lot of questions on this topic. That what is dropshipping? How to do dropshipping? Where to start this dropshipping business from? Means what are the tools and platforms available for this business? And obviously some of the challenges that me and my friends faced during our initial stages of this dropshipping business. Today I'll try to teach you all about dropshipping so that you can run a successful dropshipping business and make some money from your home. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back. Before we start digging into our topic, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I'm still new to YouTube, so you subscribing to my channel will definitely help me a lot. And obviously if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up. All jokes apart, let's talk about dropshipping. Let's say you want to open up your own online store, but you don't know where to start from. You don't have the money to invest in, you don't know what products you can sell, and looking around, you don't have any inventory to keep that items. Well, that's where dropshipping comes in. You see, with dropshipping, you can sell products online without them ever being in your possession. That means zero worries about the inventory. Now, we also talked about that zero cost involved, zero investment is involved in that. How is that? You will only place an order to your supplier once you will receive an order on your store. I know it's kind of complicated, so let me try to explain to you with an example. Let's say you find a product on your supplier's website, and that product is this pen, and this pen is listed for $10 on your supplier's website. What you will do is list the same product on your dropshipping store for $20. Now, what happens is when any customer or when someone will try to purchase this product from you for $20, what you will do is simply place this order with your supplier for $10, but with your customer's shipping information. What will happen then is this supplier will send the product directly to the customer. First, the customer will get the product and you will get to keep the $10 of profit in between. There you go, you just made $10 out of zero investment. What else do you need? Free cookies? Huh? Kawabunga! I know. Now you're thinking why the customer cannot buy directly from the supplier. Well, there are a couple of reasons. One, the internet is huge. The customer might not even know that supplier exists. Second, when a customer is buying a product, the customer is not just buying a product, they are buying into the marketing, they are buying into the positioning, they are buying into the branding of that product that you have created by saying the right words at the right time on the right occasion. That's why that product is being sold on your listing, on your website. Now, because you don't have any inventory, you don't have any warehouse, you don't hold the items, those listings or those products that are not even active or that are not being sold, you can always remove them and you can always update them by bringing out new items and new products. That's all dropshipping all about. In order to start this dropshipping business, obviously you need a bank account and a PayPal account. Because on some platforms, they ask for your PayPal first and then bank account, and some just ask directly for the bank account. Well, if you're living in North America, well, you definitely would have a bank account and a PayPal account. But if you're not living in North America, you have only two options. One, you ask either your friends and family who are living over here to create a separate bank account and a separate PayPal and give it to you so that you can use it for your dropshipping. Well, if let's say none of your friends and family wants to give you their access because they don't trust you. Loser. Then what you can do is you can establish a company, an LLC, either in US or Europe, UK. Well, UK, establishing a company in UK is definitely easier than establishing a company in US. But let's say once you get a company established, you can have a bank account against that company, you can have a PayPal against that company. Once you have these two things, you can create your seller accounts and start doing dropshipping. Let's talk about the platforms on which you can open up your stores for dropshipping business. The three major platforms out there that even I use for my dropshipping business are Shopify, eBay, and Etsy. Now, Shopify is a little bit different between Etsy and eBay. Reason is because on Shopify, you will have to create your own website. It's like website within a website. You will have your own URL and you will set up your whole theme, your whole store, however you want. But that's one platform you can do your dropshipping business on. Second is eBay. eBay is very simple. You just open up your store and give a name to your store and just start listing items. Whatever you want to list, whatever you found from your suppliers, whatever you think has a value, you just list on your eBay store. Third is Etsy. Etsy is different because Etsy only allows handmade products to be sold on its platform. So let's say if you somehow came across a product from a supplier and that product is not handmade and you're trying to sell that on Etsy, Etsy will go and block your account. So you will have to be super careful that if you want to use Etsy for dropshipping, the product needs to be handmade. By now we know what dropshipping is, how to create the accounts and where to start those selling accounts. Now the question comes is where to find the products, where to find the sellers. The two main platforms that I use to find the products and sellers is Amazon and AliExpress. Obviously, there's a difference between both of them. Amazon, if you have Amazon Prime, they can send the product to your customer within a day. Whereas AliExpress, definitely no doubt AliExpress might have more products and cheaper products, but those products will take time in order to come to your customer located in North America, because all the suppliers on AliExpress, they're all from China, so the products that will be coming will be from China. So you will have to be super careful what the customer requirement is, and you will have to mention in your listing that either you can ship the product within a day, within 3 to 5 days, or the product can take up to 30 days. Challenges. What kind of challenges can you face? The very one basic challenge that you will face during the early time period of your dropshipping business, that is, you're not having any sales and you will be complaining about it. You're like, you have spent hours and hours of your time listing products on your store, but no sales are coming. That is because your account is new, you have zero feedback, you have zero rating. So definitely it will take some time in order for the sales to come. But you can boost your store by asking your friends and family to buy certain products from your store. Definitely you will have to refund them, or if they're good enough, they won't ask for the refund. But nice thing is, have them buy items from your store, refund them the money in order to get the feedback. That is one way you can create certain feedback, certain rating in the beginning, and that will boost your organic sale a lot. Second major challenge that even I have faced in my dropshipping business is what happens when your account's rating fall below average or below standard. Well, in that case, what happens is all of your listings that are listed on your account or on your shop will be displayed on second, third, fourth, fifth page of the search results. And no one is desperate enough to go to fifth, sixth, seventh page to find a product. In fact, they'll just simply research the product somewhere else or with some different words or keywords. So that will affect a lot on your organic sales, and you will just fall in another ditch. In order to come out of the ditch, you will have to create dummy listings, fake listings, and ask your friends and family to buy those listings. Because what will happen is when they will buy the product or that fake listing, they will be able to give you some reviews, some ratings. And if you're lucky enough to gather 20, 30 good reviews, good ratings, 5 out of 5, perfect, or 10 out of 10, whatever, your account will jump out of the ditch and you will start receiving organic sales again, because your rating will increase from below standard to again above standard. That was all about dropshipping. If you like the video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any further questions about dropshipping, leave them in the comment section and I'll try to respond to all of them. And now you guys go and share this video with those friends who are interested in dropshipping and interested in making money from home, because this video will be very helpful to them. So you guys go share the video and I'll see you in the next. Allah Hafiz.